Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'll teach you how to start a t-shirt business online. This is Money Makers Team. Many of you probably have no idea who I am. I'm Ash, the leader of Money Makers Team. I have been self-employed in the internet marketing industry for almost 7 years now. I'm going to show you exactly how to start a t-shirt business online in no time with as little effort as possible. Today, I will teach you how to make money using Amazon, using Merch by Amazon program. I want to go over exactly how I did earn money from this program and the steps you can take to replicate the process right now. So, who we are? As I mentioned earlier, we are Money Makers Team, engineers looking to teach people how they can make living online easily and to be their own bosses. We are more than 4 engineers teamed up to give you the best, most accurate methods online. We have been working online for more than 5 years now, and now we are looking forward to teach people that years of testing gave us. We have 5 websites, 3 YouTube channels with more than 10,000 subscribers and 10 million views. Here in Udemy we have, as you can see, we have 19,000 students, 8 courses and more than 300 reviews. Our courses cover affiliate marketing, plugging, Google AdSense, how to triple your revenue, and SEO plus WordPress and Blogger websites. We are sure that you will enjoy this course, and at the end of this course we'll make sure that you have started your own business online. Thanks for watching this introduction. This is Money Makers Team.